Welcome to TechSphere, your go-to source for the latest tech innovations. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only groundbreaking but could completely redefine healthcare as we know it: the future of artificial intelligence in personalized medicine. Imagine a world where your treatment plan is tailor-made specifically for you, designed to fit your unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. This is the promise of AI in personalized medicine, and it's closer than you might think. From improving diagnostic accuracy to creating custom treatment plans, AI is rapidly changing what's possible in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a concept found in science fiction or tech companies' research labs. It's becoming a crucial part of healthcare, transforming how doctors diagnose, treat, and even predict illnesses. So, what exactly does AI do in the world of medicine? Well, for starters, AI systems are incredibly efficient at analyzing vast amounts of medical data, far faster and more accurately than humans can. By processing information from patient records, lab results, and even data from wearable devices, AI can spot patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. This ability to recognize hidden patterns is particularly valuable when it comes to diagnosing complex diseases. In cases like cancer or rare genetic disorders, early detection is often the key to a successful outcome. With the help of AI-powered tools, doctors can make quicker and more data-driven decisions, which means faster treatment and potentially better outcomes for patients. But perhaps the most exciting application of AI in healthcare is its role in what's called personalized medicine. Personalized medicine, also known as precision medicine, is an approach that focuses on tailoring healthcare to the individual rather than following a one-size-fits-all model. In traditional medicine, treatments are often designed based on general information, which may work for some, but not for others. For instance, two patients with the same illness might react very differently to the same treatment due to factors like genetics, lifestyle, or even environmental exposure. Personalized medicine aims to address these differences by using AI to analyze a patient's genetic information, lifestyle choices, and other unique factors. With this data, AI can recommend treatments that are likely to be the most effective for each person, while avoiding options that could cause harmful side effects. Imagine having a treatment plan that is as unique to you as your fingerprint. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution in how we think about and approach healthcare. The potential of personalized medicine powered by AI is not just theoretical. It's already happening in real-world applications. Take oncology, for example, which is the study and treatment of cancer. Cancer is a complex and varied disease with different genetic profiles and behaviors depending on the individual. Using AI, doctors can create treatment plans that are customized to each cancer patient's genetic profile. By analyzing the specific genes involved in a patient's cancer, AI can predict how that cancer will likely progress and recommend therapies tailored for that individual. This kind of customization can mean the difference between a treatment that works and one that doesn't, and it has the potential to save lives. Pharmaceutical companies are also harnessing AI to develop personalized medications. Imagine getting a prescription that's calculated just for you, down to the exact dosage and combination of drugs that are most likely to work based on your genetic profile. This minimizes the trial and error process that is often part of finding the right treatment, maximizing effectiveness, and improving the overall patient experience. Another exciting area where AI is making a significant impact is in chronic disease management. Chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and asthma require constant monitoring and timely intervention to prevent complications. Here, AI can analyze data from wearable devices or other health monitoring systems, keeping track of a patient's vitals in real time. For example, let's say you have diabetes and your blood sugar starts fluctuating. AI could predict a potential issue before it becomes a full-blown crisis, sending an alert to your healthcare provider so they can intervene quickly. This predictive capability is transforming chronic disease management enabling proactive care rather than reactive treatment. Of course, as promising as AI-driven personalized medicine sounds, there are still challenges to overcome. One of the biggest issues is data privacy. For AI to work effectively, it requires access to large amounts of sensitive patient data, which raises significant concerns around data security and patient confidentiality. How do we ensure that this information is kept secure and that it's only used in ways that benefit the patient? These are questions that the healthcare industry is actively working to address, with new regulations and security measures being put in place to protect patient information. Another challenge is cost. Implementing AI in healthcare doesn't come cheap. It requires significant investment not only in technology, but also in training for healthcare providers, as AI systems need skilled operators to function correctly. This cost factor can be a barrier, especially for smaller hospitals and healthcare facilities that may not have the resources of larger institutions. However, as AI technology continues to advance and become more widely adopted, we can expect costs to decrease over time, making it more accessible for a broader range of healthcare providers. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in personalized medicine looks incredibly promising. As the technology advances and more data becomes available, AI's potential to transform healthcare will only grow. In the coming years, we may see AI become a standard tool in hospitals and clinics, used to develop personalized health plans for each patient. Imagine a healthcare system that's focused not only on treating illnesses as they arise, but also on preventing them before they occur. With the help of AI, we could shift the focus of healthcare from reactive to proactive, improving quality of life and potentially extending lifespans. So what do you think about the future of AI in healthcare? Could personalized medicine be the key to a healthier, longer life? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.